are the only one who heals me. When I look into your eyes, I heard my heart beat. Please be my only, the only one who I need. How can I imagine life without you? Never leave me alone, don't go far away, just stay with me. You are my only, the only one who found me in the darkness, but only you saw me. Tomorrow just let it be, 'cause I know you will come with me. You are my only, always believed in me. I will never be the weak without me. I'll be strong with you by me. How can I let you go away? You are my only, always on my mind. But it's so hard to find out why. Dreaming of you every night, I wonder why you never know. You are my only, always be there, waiting for me. I will never leave, I will be right there for you. It seems like the real meaning to me.
This dance is called My Only. It's a 9-clap 2-step. Let me face it a bit walk. First, it comes up the right foot to the side, and then go to the rock back, recover, heel turn right. It's a right foot sweep, and then right foot to the step, and then 2 cross walk, walk, walk. And then on both your right foot, make a heel turn right. It's a right foot point. Okay, the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second section, you sway to the left, and then right arm all the way to the side, and sway back to the right, left touch behind, and then we're gonna do the 4-turn lap. Kind of like the cross and wide, so we do the 4-turn, and then right foot to the cross, recover, and right foot step back with a quarter turn lap. Okay, the same time, so at the point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The third section is out the left foot step back, and then right foot recover, quarter turn right, and then left step back, and then left foot recover, heel turn left, and left step back, and then right foot recover, quarter turn right, and left foot forward, and then left foot do the 4 coaster curl. Third step is a sweep. then do the section with count. So after the second section, you do the cross, recover, back, and then the third section with count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Okay, the first section, do the weaving behind, do the behind side, cross with a sweep, and then double cross, side, behind, and then make a quarter turn right, quarter turn left, with a level to the side, a level to the side, and then a level to the side, and hit your right. Okay, the fourth section was count. So after the third section, you do the coaster, third step for count 8 and 1, and then weaving 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then from the top 1, 2, 3.